Now it's really important to back up your info point, and also sometimes if you've got a backup you may want to restore. Now there is a problem with the built-in backup and restore mechanism in the info point, in that it can very successfully back up and restore the database, but the files can get so large that the built-in mechanism cannot actually cope. So for that reason you may want to use Filezilla. The process is very straightforward. First, open Filezilla and you will get a screen that looks something like this. Make sure you're connected to the info point Wi-Fi signal. This is a Mac, but this principle is exactly the same on Windows and Linux. Once you're sure that you've got Filezilla open and you're logged on to the info point, type in the host as 10.0.0.1, the username owner, and enter the password, and of course you know the password. Click quick connect. You can leave the port blank and the second window will come alive, and now we can see that we're logged on to the info point on the right hand side. On the left hand side, make sure that you've got a suitable directory. I've got one here, info point backup, and we're ready now to do a backup. The process is very straightforward from here. Enter the www directory by double clicking on it, and we go down and we find that there's a directory called sites. Double click on it. We want to go to default and finally files. Now the best thing to do is just stay at the files level, and what we want to do is to make a backup of all of these files. All the other parts of the system are absolutely standard and can be recreated basically by using modules from the Drupal site, but the files directory is the only directory that you desperately need. So now you can just click download. You should be aware that this can take some time. You can see down here there are 2079 files queued to download, and so far we've only done 28. You might want to go and have a cup of tea at this point. Uploading files is exactly the same, it's the reverse. So remember, the source files are on the left hand side of the screen on your computer, and the destination is on the right hand side. So we make sure that we've got your backup files showing on the left hand side, the place to restore on the right hand side, and then we right click and upload. Once again, this may take some time, but it will give you a perfect backup. And that's it.